Welcome back guys. In our previous video we spoke of PayPal savings accounts and told you how it functions, with some common features. Well, after that, you should be thinking that, how can I get or open a PayPal savings account? In this video, we will be briefing you on that and showing you the main steps to follow and have your PayPal savings account placed in order. As we said in our previous video, you must first of all be a resident of the United States, and you need a personal PayPal account. If not, you won't be able to create a PayPal saving account. And if you already have it, then just follow the steps below to create one. 1. Log into your PayPal account. 2. Navigate to Savings and look for the Savings option. Once there, you can create an account from there in the Manage Money section. 3. Open Savings Account. You should find a button to Open Savings. Then review and agree terms and conditions. After that, you may be prompted to link a funding source for your initial deposit. But that is optional and completely your choice to make. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, your PayPal savings account should be open and ready to use to save cash and earn some interest. We will provide you with the complete written guide in the description, with detailed explanations too. This ends this amazing fintech video, and before leaving, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.